Hi horror, welcome back to our episode. Today episode we talk about Kuyang and
Kuntilanak.
Kuntilanak, and do you know Kuyang is more iconic in
Kalimantan.
yes, in Kalimantan, like we
Especially,
call it Borneo.
as we know, Kuyang is the sum of half demon but also half humans. There is people trust in village or especially Kalimantan people.
Yeah,
And also Kuntilanak. And in this city, Pontianak, also people trust about Kuntilanak.
yes,
But I never saw it.
but that's like basic goals in our
Province.
country. No,
Oh,
just not the province, just in our country. Kuntilanak is like a basic
Yeah.
basic ghost.
most popular.
Yeah, basic most popular and
Popular ghost.
yeah, popular ghost. Yeah, like
Like a celebrity.
yeah, Kuntilanak is like a celebrity.
In
Then you
Indonesia.
know, in Indonesia it's like more there's
Iconic.
no iconic, but it's like
Popular.
in Indonesia like too much kuntilanak lah.
Ah.
Like more than kuyang. Kuyang
Ah.
is like a specific
in our
icon.
province.
Yeah, it's not only in
Our province.
Kalimantan. It's like in Sulawesi
Oh,
and
there is any kuyang there?
yes,
Oh.
Sulawesi too, and Sumatra maybe.
Oh.
Sumatra and Bali. And
I
Bali
see, I
is
see.
called Leak. Yeah,
Leak.
yeah.
Oh.
That's my basic knowledge lah ya. I don't know what is called. Maybe the Bali is called Leak. Maybe lah. I don't know, cause that's I know about the kuyang in
Kuyang.
Bali.
What about in your village called kuyang? In my village is tuju.
In my village is
Only
no,
kuyang.
like we don't know about the kuyang.
Oh.
Because I never saw kuyang in my village or listen about a story
other
kuyang
people,
in our village. Because it's like no, maybe no. The kuyang is
Not popular in your
not popular in my village.
But
And-
kuyang is most popular in our village, guys.
Do you see a kuyang before?
Did everyone ever see a kuyang in your village or in some place maybe? But for me, Kuntilanak is never I saw because maybe not popular in my village. Kuyang is best iconic ghost in our village because maybe somebody there make like a black magic,
Yeah, kuyang.
As we
Kuyang
know,
is like human use a black magic to get I don't know it's called it in English like awet muda.
oh yes,
to-
being forever young lah.
Like do you want like be a forever young is but don't be kuyang ya. Yeah, because if because we must gonna die when we
We
get
going
old
kuyang.
dah, yeah. Because black magic is like a bad impact in your life lah. Because
Just
maybe
need tumbal.
Yes,
We say
tumbal.
tumbal. I don't know what
In-
it means, like
in our basic
Ah.
knowledge, we know kuyang is like one baby blood or like who woman get pregnant,
yes,
like a
pregnant
placenta,
woman,
get the placenta to get forever young lah ya. We call it forever young.
forever young
not,
lah.
not the song ya, not the song.
Forever young.
Takut kena
Okay,
whiskers
continue.
to get the copyright lah.
Yeah.
Um,
So, kuyang in our village is still exists. I mean, but it's in past. In tomorrow, maybe not exist again because in our village is many people trust have religion and then not trust black magic again. But I think kuyang is still many in other city
Yes.
or other place.
Yes,
They live like a
like
human.
human.
No, they
Like
in real life it's like we us like us. I mean, they have a life like us,
like
to
a
be a
normal
ordinary
human.
Yeah, normal human lah.
Normal human like us, like
Ah,
at the cafe,
ah.
maybe like at the mall.
Maybe you are
kan?
the kuyang lah.
We don't know lah ya, we're kuyang or not.
But the kuyang always cover their neck.
Yeah.
neck.
Sometime I don't know if this is true or not lah, because in my basic knowledge, if you see a kuyang, they have a like circle,
like a
like
mark.
yes, black circle in their
neck.
their neck,
Ah.
like circle in their neck. And who's confused why we discuss about the kuyang, you must watch the first episode ya. Then
Because in previous episode I also explained about kuyang.
about kuyang. Nah, I also heard about kuyang is they scare onions, like I don't know what it's called, bawang putih. What is bawang putih in
garlic?
Garlic.
White garlic maybe
with
ya.
garlic. Scare about the garlic in the front of the door. If you get the I don't know, get
maybe water.
kuyang in your area. Yeah.
Maybe I think the weakness from kuyang is water.
Whether they get wet.
Because the eye fly like a bird with a fire. Maybe if you get a water and make it to be
Sweat,
turned down.
wet lah ya, like a wet, like basah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe they cannot fly again. I don't know. Flying with that. Maybe like with the organs. And don't have a wings, but they can fly. I don't know.
Kuyang is like a creepy thing because they have an organ fly in the sky,
liver
like the
and-
blood is like turned down, like push tick 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 tick, tick like that lah.
This is about kuyang. But,
Yeah.
kuntilanak.
And maybe later lah ya we talk about the kuyang first lah. Because
Okay lah.
do you know like kuyang in the night, like a liver is like lightning, but it red like blah blah
Red,
blah
red.
blah 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 like that
Yes.
lah. Maybe you want to sir when you see kuyang like more specific things. What do you know about the kuyang?
Kuyang,
Yeah.
So it's experience from my big brother and his friend. They walk together at night in village, but they suddenly look at something like a fire, but it's
Not a
children,
fire. Like
children from the sky.
fly in the sky.
It's like a meteor, but it's not possible eat meteor in village. It's little, not really big. They running suddenly.
running away lah ya.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because they're scared to that. They see it's a kuyang maybe. Because I never saw it in so near or to approach something like that, because I'm also scary to see it. And what about you?
Maybe I'm not specific about the kuyang because I never saw a kuyang. Maybe we talked about the kuntilanak. Yeah. Kuntilanak is like a woman die when I like what is
Yeah,
mengandung a pregnant.
Pregnant.
Die
And
when she a pregnant and die like get
When they want
bad
to-
bad tragedy. Bad tragedy when she
Death.
die. Dead. Is die or dead?
Yeah lah. That
Like-
lah.
Dead lah.
They being
like-
like a ghost.
Yeah, ghost like
People trust a pregnant woman can be a ghost.
when
Maybe.
something die or
Yes.
dead. And sometimes kuntilanak is like in every place, like a
In-
tree,
yeah.
and I don't know what is
Dark
sudut-
place.
dark
Corner like
dark
the-
place, and in the corner can can you imagine? We don't know like
The
about
favorite
ghosts, ya
one,
kan?
place
Uh,
favoritnya.
we do not kuntilanak in your room or like even your backyard lah, ya, in your yard, and you saw a kuntilanak from
Mm.
your house. What do you think like that? You never saw a ghost before.
And as we know, kuntilanak also have a long nail. I don't know. they, they have a treatment for their nail art maybe. I think it's gonna be a little beautiful if they have a treatment for being a beautiful ghost because
We
they
talk
are women.
about ghost lah, ya. We don't know
I mean,
when kuntilanak have a treatment like that.
if I am being a kuntilanak, maybe I'm the beautiful one. But you cannot being kuntilanak, because
Yes,
you are.
I'm a boy. I'm a
You
man.
can be a pocong.
Yes, I can be a pocong.
If I thought my parents that when I'm still a kid, I even hear something scary at night when I still fall asleep, and I hear something like a woman crying or like a baby crying.
Yeah.
No, I mean, and I thought is my neighbor maybe because maybe they have a baby, but I think they don't have a baby or in my area is don't have a baby or someone woman have a depression cry at night.
It sound like
Yes. And at night it's like not really like a human crying, but it's make a sense. It's like a human also. Oh my god, I feel doubt. What is this? Like a human or not? And at morning, I asked to my mom and my parents, or I mean my parents, that they hear something like that or not. They tell me they don't hear that. It's also me. Maybe it's my nightmare or for real. I don't know.
in my experience, yeah, kuntilanak before, like, in my house is like in my room,
Hmm.
in front my room, this is have a gudang. Gudang, what is gudang in English?
I am forget. Maybe like another room for your
Yes,
to set
like,
your
This
things
it
there.
have a dark side of the
In your house.
storage. This is a storage room, like a storage room, and like side of my storage room is a dark place. Like at night, maybe I feel like
See something.
someone like saw me. Like, what if will not?
Like someone
Do
you
you know,
see.
like a paparazzi, like looking to my head,
Paparazzi. Wow.
in the wall, like side of the wall, like this.
Maybe she like you. She crush on you.
Did you even imagine when I
Gonna
kuntilanak
crush
like
on
you?
Maybe. We know lah ya.
Like side of my vision, like
Mm.
you see, like woman, like with long hair, like singing like this, but it's no face.
With white dress maybe.
No
also.
white dress. It's like a
Red.
small, but it's like don't have a face,
Look
like
at
a long
my
hair.
hand.
Maybe that just my imagination lah, ya, or that just a hallucination. Maybe I don't know lah. Maybe like when we scare about something, is make imagination or
yes,
hallucination like that.
because we are overthinking. Just
We don't discuss about our problem lah, ya.
no, I mean like because we are too much thinking about something negative.
Yeah, or
like,
maybe like,
like
or something like we watch like horror movie, like a
because
creepy
after
things.
watch a horror movie or
Yeah.
maybe romance movie.
Imagine when kuntilanak will romance.
She will fall in love with
Yeah.
Pocong maybe or Gundorobo. Okay, maybe it's just our story from in Kalimantan lah, West Kalimantan
Yeah.
especially, about kuntilanak and kuyang.
Kuyang. If you want to detail know about the Kuyang and
Want to
Kuntilanak,
tell
you search in Google lah ya,
you,
because this is just our basic knowledge about the Kuyang and Kuntilanak. Maybe this is the end of our discussion or podcast of our
high horror lah.
episode section High Horror, and see
See
you
you
and
again. Thank you.
continue your watching. See you. Bye.